Hi, I am Rishabh Daga, heading the cold chain division at Pragya Refrigeration and Electricals based at Chennai. For one of our very key customers based in the southern part of India, we had supplied and installed Emerson scroll condensing units for a very challenging application of curd blast application. With this solution, the customer has been over the years able to see the difference in the energy efficiency and is really satisfied with the scroll condensing units running for its curd blast application.